Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorial. So our next topic is inheritances in Java. So what is the meaning of inheritance? Inheritance is uh, getting some properties from our parent to the child. So as we know, the general meaning of the inheritance that child will acquire the some characteristics of its parent. So here in Java we do have this concept of inheritance in which we have the parent class, then we have the subclasses, and subclasses inherit the properties of the parent classes. So inheritance represent the is a relationship which is known as parent-child relationship. So what is the benefit of this inheritance? The benefit of this inheritance is with the help of this inheritance, we can override the methods, or we can call it as runtime polymorphism. And thing is code reusability. We can reuse the code or code in the parents. So, and what is the syntax? How we can inherit one class. So here we have, like, suppose we have this superclass and this is one subclass. So syntax is class subclass name, then we use this keyword extends. This extends keyword will extend the base class to superclass. So this is our superclass, and here will be the our code. So this is a syntax how we will create how we will use the inheritance. So what are the different types of inheritance? So we have singly inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. So first we will cover the single inheritance, single level inheritance. So suppose we have a class. mm, I will create a class employee, and what first I will create a class department of salary. Suppose I have a class salary in which I have one field int salary, private int salary, private int salary. Then I have its setters and getters. Mm, let's add the constructor and setters and getters. So we have setters and getters as well as constructor. We can use any of these if required. Or if we are using this setters, if we are using the constructor, then we have no need to use this setters. Now I have this class salary, and then I have another class employee, and this employee class extends salary. This employee class extends salary. So we have this employee class in which we can pass salary, and, and we suppose we have its string name of the employee, private string name, and we will pass name as well. And here I will initialize the this dot name is equal to name, and we are passing super salary to this super, and what it will do, it will instantiate this salary class and put the salary in this salary. And here what I will do, I will create the setters and getters, or getters of this class. Then I have a test class in which we have this public static void main, and we will create the object of the employee. Employee employee is equal to name. Then we have employee, and what we can do, we can pass the name, and then we can pass the salary. And here what we can do, system dot out dot println, and here e dot get name, and here what we can do, system dot out system dot out dot println e dot salary, and let's run this program. As you can see that name is Anil, salary is 10,000. But point here we should learn is that in the employee class we do not have this method salary get salary. So how this employee class get that method get salary? So in salary we have this public method get salary, and this salary class is extended by employee class. So this public method is accessible to the employee class. Now, my second question which arises here, that how the salary is assigned to the salary class, object of the salary class. So here we have passed these two variables, Anil and 10,000. Here name is Anil, which is set in the this Anil, and we can get this name with the help of this get name method. And we have passed the salary, and this salary we have passed to the super keyword, and this super will refer to the immediate parent, and immediate parent of this class is salary. So it will pass the salary to the constructor of the salary, and it will set the salary, and after that we can access the salary in the main class. So this is the example of the single level inheritance.